Military greetings. Aerial video of the KF-21 Boramae in first fly. KF-21 Boramae successful first flight for 33 minutes, carrying 4 Meteor missiles. The plane took off from an Air Force base near the Kai factory in Sacheon, South Gyeongsang Province, at 1540. The pilot on this inaugural test flight was Major Ahn of the Air Force Test and Evaluation Unit. The jet flew at a speed of 400 km per hour for approximately 30 minutes, to check basic functions on the aircraft systems, and finally landed safely at 1613. On its maiden flight, it appears that the KF-21 Boramae carried 4 Meteor missiles into the air mounted on the center fuselage. The KF-21 is expected to be armed with the South Korean developed ALCM, air-launched cruise missile, and 10 other air-to-ground weapons, including the Meteor air-to-air missile for the first time in Asia. The cruise missiles will provide the fighter with long-range precision strike capabilities, beyond enemy air defense or interception systems. The Korean military also plans to deploy hypersonic missiles, which are currently being developed for the KF-21. The two main components of the KF-21 Boramae, the AESA electronic radar and infrared target tracker, were developed by Hanwha Systems with local technology and have been installed into the first KF-21 prototype. The integrated radio frequency jammer and electronic warfare suite are supplied by LIG Nex 1. The KF-21 Boramae will be verified as a full combat potential asset by the end of 2023, and additional armament tests for the KF-21 Block 2 will be conducted in 2026. 40 kF -21 Block -1s are expected to be capable of air-to-air combat, while 80 KF-21 Block -2s will be deployed by 2028 for air-to-surface combat mode. Thanks for watching my channel and subscribe to update new videos.